So you are already a Vicent Torres customer. Great! Then you probably already know how we work and how we go about bringing your metalwork projects to life, and you'll know what perfectionists we are. We were lucky enough to offer you some years ago, and we love to see you enjoying your home. We want you to keep on enjoying it. But exposure to the elements, usage, and the course of time inevitably take their toll on the components of your project. Now that the warranty is up, we are offering you our annual maintenance contract to help ensure that everything stays in perfect condition. You do it for your garden, swimming pool, or gas supply, so why not do it for your windows, doors, and frames? There are many benefits with this contract. 1. Prevention is always best. Our maintenance contract covers our workers' travel to your home and the labor required for them to make any necessary reparation and adjustments to your installed equipment. This way, you'll never get any unexpected surprises and unnecessary delays should such work be required. 2. We'll arrange for a Vicent Torres team to visit your home twice a year, since they are the ones who install the equipment and know what it's all about. They'll thoroughly check every door and window in your house by inspecting key elements: gaskets, fittings, motors, security systems, handles, lubrication. Nothing will slip past us. 3. If everything looks good, great. That's just what we expect. We'll see you again in a few months' time at our next inspection. If we spot something that needs looking at, our team will do everything they can to rectify the issue there, and then we'll come prepared. If we can't, we'll provide you with an estimate. And, with your say-so, we'll repair the issue for you. 4. The contract lasts a year, and we'll notify you 15 days before it expires, so you can decide whether to renew it. 5. The contract is individual and designed especially for you. The amount you pay will be fairly adjusted to reflect what your project truly needs. We know that you've made a substantial investment into your home, and we want you to know that we'll always be there to make sure everything works as smoothly as it did on the first day of installment. Vicent Torres, for big projects like yours.